How do we do this? Hey guys, welcome back.
Yeah, we're gonna fix the wheels.
Today I'm gonna change the hubcaps on my car. I have one missing hubcap. The other ones are super old, scratched up, dented. $25 for all four. Walmart.com. First, we're gonna open up the box. We don't have a box cutter, so we just use keys. Bam!
Feels good.
Ooh, nice and pretty. My car's about to look good, boy. There's 4 of these things, and it looks like it goes on each hubcap. These other ones are not connected, but one is. Find this part and connect it to that part. Okay? Stick it in. That's what Arya Stark said. This is not as easy as I thought it was going to be. Ow!
Yeah, we can't even take this off.
Got one.
Got one.
I'm going to see if Eli wants to help me take off one of the hubcaps.
Whoa! Easy peasy. Let take it off, Eli.
Oh! Good job.
Look at my hands. You have to put this where this goes. Wait. Oh, God.
And then just pop it in. Find this curvy part. Put it where the...
Yeah, we did it, kid!
High five.
Woo!
Woo! Oh, hi, Eli. Oh, look at my car. It looks so pretty.
It looks like a new car. We're going to do the rest later.
We're going to do the rest now. Super fast.
Yeah, bye, kid. Hi, dude.
Oh my God. I think Eli did a better job of this than I did.
Like on Wheels of the Bus, this part, there was a nail that was poking this way, and when it dragged on it, it flew off, but then they had a pumper on the trunk of the bus.
Oh, and they had to change the tire?
Yeah, and they had to change this in the tire.
Yeah.